right, Ms. Hicks, please call the first witness for the state.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Patricia Exum.
Thank you.
Swear the testimony here about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Ma'am, please state and spell your first and last name for Madam Court Reporter.
Patricia Exum, Patricia Exum.
And ma'am, there's a microphone in front of you. Your chair does not move. Your microphone does. So please, if you could speak into the mic to make sure everybody can hear you. Thank you.
That better?
Ms. Hicks?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You stated your name for the record. If you could please tell our jurors where you are employed.
Lake Highland Preparatory School.
Okay? And how long have you worked at Lake Highland?
Ooh, 28 years.
And what is your job at Lake Highland, or jobs?
I have two. I am the librarian and a library teacher during the day, and then I'm the coordinator for the aftercare program after school.
And were you working in those capacities on the date of September 27th of 2017?
Yes, I was.
And do you know a student named Oliver Berman?
I do.
What grade was Oliver in September of 2017?
5th grade.
Now, as a fifth grader, what time would Oliver have had to be at school in the morning?
8 o'clock.
And what time would he have been done school at the end of the day?
3:15.
Now, at Lake Highland, I'm assuming that kids have various dismissal methods. Some might be walkers, some might be bussers, somebody might be picking things up, some kids have aftercare. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
Okay, do you know which category Oliver fell into on the date of September 27th?
I'm pretty sure that he was a car pickup in the car line at the front of the school.
Okay, so tell us exactly how aftercare works. Where would you have been that time of day?
Aftercare is in the cafeteria, and the kids come to me. The regular kids just automatically come. Ones that are not picked up or parents have said they need to be drop-ins that day are brought over.
Okay, so was Oliver a regular to you that day?
No,
He wasn't supposed to come to you that day?
no.
Did he ultimately come to you that day?
Yes, he did.
And about what time would he have gotten to you?
3:45 about.
Okay. And so what is your understanding about why he came to you when he wasn't supposed to normally come to you?
He was not picked up in the car line.
Okay, so he was supposed to go home in the carpool. Nobody came to pick him up, so they brought him to you.
Yes.
To your knowledge, had anything gone wrong with Oliver that day at school?
Not to my knowledge.
No emergencies?
Not that I know of.
When he got to you, was he a good kid, normal kid?
Yes, he is.
Okay. He didn't seem to have any issues? Was he playing with his buddies, stuff like that?
He ultimately went out to the playground. They come over and they sign in, and, we give them the option to do homework or go to the playground, and I think he chose to go to the playground that day.
I would imagine most of them do, right?
Unless they have to.
Okay. All right. So at some point, did somebody at Lake Highland contact Oliver's parents because he had not been picked up?
Yes, they did.
And did his father come to pick him up from school that day?
Yes, he did.
And did his father, Reed Berman, sign him out of school that day?
Yes, that's our policy.
And do you know what time he was signed out?
4:30 something.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Cross-examination? All right, ma'am, you can step down. Thank you. All All right, members of the jury, in just a moment, we're going to take a brief recess. During the recess, you're under all the court's instructions, including but not limited to the instruction not to discuss this case amongst yourselves or with anyone else. You're going to leave your notepads and your pens on your seats. Please follow the deputy in the jury room. We'll bring you back as quickly as we can. Thank you. All right, we'll be in a brief recess.